Alabama announced a new 8-year contract extension for head coach Nick Saban that keeps him with the Crimson Tide through the 2024 season. The new contract will pay Saban $11.15 million in 2017, which includes a signing bonus. How does Saban's 2017 paycheck compare to other coaches? Well, in 2016, Nick Saban was number 2 on the list of college football's highest paid coaches, behind only Michigan's Jim Harbaugh. In 2017, no one else even comes close. In fact, in 2017, Nick Saban will be paid more than the highest paid coaches in the NBA, the NFL, college basketball, the NHL, or Major League Baseball, making him the highest paid coach in all of American sports. So the real question, what can you buy with all of that money? Well, for $11.15 million, you can buy a fleet of 56 Nick Saban Signature Series Mercedes vans, 557,500 copies of the Eagles' greatest hits on vinyl, or 74,748,603 Little Debbie oatmeal cream pies. It doesn't look like Nick Saban will be running out of his favorite snack anytime soon.